Cancer and Biochemistry 23, Vitamin C and Collagen. Hello, it's July 10, 2019, and I'm Dr. Colleen Huber, here today in this ongoing series on cancer and biochemistry. Today picking up where we left off last time, about vitamin C and its role regarding cancer. Here is a Shutterstock photo of a vitamin C molecule. At our clinic in Tempe, Arizona, vitamin C is a cornerstone of what we do against cancer. It is by no means the only action we take against cancer. To defeat cancer, you actually need a synergy of well-chosen nutrients, such as here in this chart. There are some who benefit from intravenous vitamin C alone against cancer. However, for the majority, we have found that we get them into remission from cancer and long-term wellness with a variety of anti-cancer nutrients. It takes a synergy of nutrients to accomplish this, as I have shown throughout this cancer and biochemistry video series. How does vitamin C work against cancer? It turns out that only the metabolic treatments are able to kill cancer stem cells. Neither chemotherapy nor immunotherapy has accomplished this for their cancer patients. However, the metabolic treatments here, the ones that I discuss here in this video series, has reached that goal with the majority of cancer patients whom we've seen. See the data that we report on natureworksbest.com. Vitamin C is one of the strongest tools on the planet against cancer, and here's how it accomplishes that job. Various efforts have been made over the years to describe vitamin C's role against cancer. The most well-researched paper that I have seen is this one by Chen and Espy and their team. We talked about this paper in our last video, how vitamin C breaks down to hydrogen peroxide in the place where we need it most, the fluid surrounding cancer cells, which is where it delivers an oxidative assault that kills those cells. However, normal cells have an enzyme called catalase to protect them from this. In this way, cancer cells are divided neatly away from normal cells so that we can eliminate the cancer cells while nourishing the normal cells simultaneously. Now, why would this be the case? Look, nature does not need or want you to have cancer, except if you consume too much sugar close in time to a hypoxic assault on your cells. And I describe that in Cancer and Biochemistry number 3 and 4. We do have tools against cancer in nature if we only search and access them. And vitamin C is one of the best of those. It is not only useful against cancer if only given in small, orally assimilated amounts. In our clinic, as in other natural cancer clinics, we use vitamin C intravenously in order to be able to build a relatively high concentration in first the blood, but the blood is not so much our goal. Our goal is to get that vitamin C over to the extracellular fluid. Now, this fluid is what surrounds all of your cells. When we deliver vitamin C to the extracellular fluid, it breaks down to hydrogen peroxide, and that is needed to do the job. You might ask, well, why don't I just drink hydrogen peroxide? I would not do that if I were you. The digestive tract is not the compartment of the body that you want that in. That could be very risky, and I do not recommend it. I find a much safer way than that is to have the vitamin C, which is obviously a very well tolerated nutrient. And what that does is to package and deliver hydrogen peroxide to the extracellular fluid. Dr. David Williams gives us this picture of the hydrogen peroxide molecule. Now, normal cells have catalase, but cancer cells lack catalase. Therefore, normal cells have an easy way to turn hydrogen peroxide to water plus oxygen, whereas cancer cells do not have any way to escape the caustic effect of hydrogen peroxide. So then we have a neat separation here. Cancer cells are harmed even sitting right next to normal cells that remain unharmed. So vitamin C delivers hydrogen peroxide to the tissues, allowing the oxidative damage of hydrogen peroxide to come to the cancer cells while leaving unharmed the normal cells, just as Chen and Espy showed us. Now, today, I want to talk about another way that vitamin C fights cancer, which I think is very important. Your tissue, what we are made of, is collagen more than any other molecule. Collagen is the basic building block of bone, cartilage, tendons, skin. It is the most predominant molecule in our connective tissue. Look at this nice, strong collagen molecule. This image is from Science Direct. That cable looks like it could hold up a suspension bridge. Well, maybe not that, but it sure can handle this in our muscles. That photo is from Team USA. Or the muscles required for this. This is from Dance, Love to Know. Now, why is vitamin C important to that? Because vitamin C is not a luxury. It is an absolute requirement for the construction of your collagen. Without vitamin C, the work crews of your body are on strike. not building, not rebuilding. In extreme circumstances of being very deficient in vitamin C, the result is scurvy, in which our tissues actually disintegrate. You can see this in the gums of a scurvy victim. Their gums are swollen, spongy, and they bleed easily. As a result, they lose teeth. The skin becomes scaly and there's general fatigue, weakness, and achiness. Okay, so how does this relate to cancer? Cancer can metastasize when it finds weak tissue. When cancer breaks off from the main tumor and is carried in the bloodstream, it can find vulnerable tissue in which to lodge. In the Science Direct drawing, we see how this happens. Strong collagen is a defense against this. Strong collagen cannot be formed without vitamin C. So at our clinic in Tempe, Arizona, we have used vitamin C in over 40,000 IV nutrient infusions over the last 12 years, and we are still having the best success against cancer of any clinic in the world. Now, if that seems too large a claim or difficult to believe, please go to our website and click on Documented. You would think vitamin C would be more widely used against cancer than it currently is, or at least more widely appreciated. Vitamin C is not a perfect solution to the cancer problem. Sometimes if a cancer is very widely spread before starting treatment, then it is difficult for either vitamin C or any other cancer treatment, natural or conventional, to have much success. Again, a synergy of appropriate nutrients is absolutely necessary to fight cancer. We have to fight cancer in all the ways that cancer attacks the body, even to the point of being redundant. Please see our website for more information on this. On vitamin C, that wraps it up for now. I'm Dr. Colleen Huber. It's July 10, 2019, and thank you for watching.